That's how Jamaican people give instruction or direction.
Yeah, I say go straight. When you see the road I want, make 2 left. This is where it comes from.
Oh my god.
Big up the Darby Family, dog.
Yeah.
Food changer big you up. Yeah, God bless God from birth.
Yeah.
You always prosperous. Your respect on nippy pen. Break it.
Alright, so we are come straight then.
So Maria try to find him way to Bagwalk and last about 10 times. That's how Jamaican people give instruction or direction.
Yeah, I say go straight. When you see the road I want, make 2 left.
Make 2 right there.
And then go turn it up, go straight.
Let's see if Kevin asleep.
People, it plays rainy, but it looks like a rainforest, man. It looks
Up
beautiful.
to Angel alone I sleep on me at one point. I did fast, I sleep good last night. I'm the metro boat, I'm see.
People, we're here in Linstead. Country life, country living. And may I tell us, we are going to bush now, we go get some little things. The rain over the sun come, people. The rain the way over the sun. 2 reach in a matter of minutes. So, them gone left me. But I'm not even seeing nowhere for walk. Try know. People, I don't know how I'm going to do this. See how little goat kid there right there, so. Where the goat there, honey? Can't see him. See him there? Yeah. Boy, I'm going to try and see how I can do. I'm going to weird down there, so. Weird down in the bush. Them get the cane them. See them want to start chop some cane. You see it? But everything what I do, I have to do it quick because there's a lot of rain to come. Just the rain literally just over the hill right there, so. Where I come? Oh man, the rain that I come. Boy, that smell, you can smell the country, yo. Yeah, it smell amazing. Yeah.
Rainfall like almost every day.
Like a rainforest.
Yeah, man. But nice still.
Nice, man.
Nice. Fruitful.
Nice.
Very fruitful.
See there? Kevin, I'm gonna see them key there. See the man round up some key, watch it. Key quick and fast.
Right.
Yeah.
2 chopper, I get that key.
2 chopper, look there. Key. You remember over there, sir?
And then them stay awake me in the style them plant.
Oh.
Yeah, when they just planting, so they start beside it.
Oh, they feel like that, sir.
3 days ago.
3 days?
3 days ago.
Wow.
The rain caused it. Them are fresh too.
How are these tractors? What kind of tree is?
Banana.
No, I wanna. How are the pony?
Wait them again. Busy.
Busy, wow. Yeah. Never see busy tree yet, you know? First
I'm
one.
only going to say.
No, man. Me hear something. Where's the parent today? Is that parento?
Yeah, that one.
Wow. So, people, this is pimento tree.
Yeah, one. You really know what's still. You're part of the jackfruit, listen.
Yeah, we see the jackfruit. Pimento on there. Green still, but it's will get ripe. But the leaf good too, you know.
Yeah, man.
Everything actually.
Everything off our pimento tree.
Yeah.
Even the stick itself.
So we are go through a little place, yeah. But I say all the was there. So you have to take your time. You know? Country life, country living. I get some Joe plum. See plum there? A whole branch. Some Joe plum up on the tree there. Some ackee there. What can I get an ackee? So ackee on the tree there. Alright. Yeah, but in a couple of days, enough fit up.
Watch them like that.
See that? Watch out. Goat. One goat. Man have a little goat pen, you see it? I saw it out some goat. Voila! Look on blow! She loaded the plum. It's like people when them drop in a bush. So it's like we'll last only for them. So people, this is called chocolate.
Original chocolate.
The original chocolate.
Yeah, man.
You see, just like where you buy in the stores.
Yeah, man.
This is where it come from. That right there. This fruit right here. What
Come on,
see this fruit.
Original chocolate.
Little way chocolate come from.
Yeah,
Little more. Come more we go open it and make you see what it look like. But people, beautiful bear. The rain is coming right now behind me. You can see it in the sky, but place is so fruitful, man. I gotta be running right now.
Wash this.
Chocolate. So it's dry, and then you parch it. And then you parch it, and then you beat it.
Yeah.
Shut it off.
And beat
Oh,
Like
okay.
if Avan is skin, you're going to use your hand and rub it off. You put in your mortar.
And beat
You
it.
grate you see the man what have you put in it. Yeah, that's how it stay when you parch it. And then you beat it. So you just stick and beat it. And when you beat it, you turn on the oil.
Yeah.
And then
And
you use
you
your hand
roll
with a
it.
spoon and roll it. And ready.
Me no fever girl, don't stop with me. Me deliver Ochi. Me deliver Ochi.
You see since me come up here, I add the drink. Milo and them tea there.
So you guys add like a bushel.
You know what I mean?
Name
First we are
Smell
saying
good.
Name Basel.
basil, remember smell?
Yeah.
Oh,
But it smells
yeah, it smell like something.
When me
It smell like seasoning.
like
If
seasoning.
I really, a tea, it boil,
A
it
tea?
nice boil
Yeah,
tea, and it
nice
tastes
tea.
real good. Tastes real good.
I'll make some tea.
And try it.
Yeah, man, it tastes very good.
Oh no, one day.
What make it one to man? I could have really do them from the
Oh no, one day. I see pepper there. Pepper, see a little pepper there on the tree right there. So.
You see that? A video.
See some pickled pepper there right there. So.
And that Mario don't.
Drop off all again. Sticking on a pint, that's it.
I want the big too, you know. Can't catch it.
Use garlic stick.
See it there? Rope pull out and everything, you know.
Mario, video.
Alright, man, ready? See it there? God up in there. Jai one me. Whoa, cool. Man, gone up in there. So what him do with the rope is him tie the coconut with the rope so they not drop. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I should have the, that's why I'm climbing with the rope. So him chop it, him tie it, and then draw down. I'm so show the hard one. So what is this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop something. So I'm gonna chop up backside. So that eggs.
It's like a see place are clear now.
Yeah, you can't see the mountain. Yeah, you want more?
Listen, you see when they have the camera, when they add this, remember to take it off. Mario, you get it? There's no countryman, you know, you can't manage them something there.
What? You're rich. Eh? Yeah, me I come. Alright, keep on.
Maria, soulful enough, man. Them something a sweet him.
See there? Yeah, people, so you say I just go climb the tree or whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
Box off
And then you climb, and then you go upside down and come back down. Yeah, and him go upside down and come back down. Wanna see him?
Alright.
Yeah. Him can't believe.
Yo, the way it's we can't even lift it still.
Yeah, because you just do all the work
All
up there.
power.
So you can't. Oh, you go lift it when you just do everything.
Jelly.
Oh, come on, Jack.
Come down now, you know. Tell me. Pick some dry
Alright.
so you can make it.
Yeah.
Make pudding, make rice and peas, everything. Drops, everything.
See, Atia.
America.
No, what's that on your one?
Yeah, my bag is supporting because you can't support.
Dry coconut. Where you say this is, Mario? Where you say? What is?
Dry coconut. I'm gonna deal with it now.
Okay. See my open.
Coconut. This is jelly.
So you ox this
Let's show them what this is. Skin that scratch me now from the one that's in there.
Yeah, the lemongrass.
Scratch me. Color them this one. It's a light them.
Are them already?
We light it so it can easily burn.
Oh, so once it light it okay.
Just
can bust.
Yeah, there's something there. What do you call it? Where's the way the most sun name called Gally?
Sledge.
The sledge.
Oh.
Like them are using bus. I told the rainfall and the place which
Them are can bust just so. Them are I dare for it bust them out. Them are that's it. One David the stone, the stone back up. And there them are can.
Honestly, you know what more than this?
Okay.
You know what more?
No, man,
That's
really
all,
actually.
you see? That's all enough have nice friend like them, yeah. You see nice friend like them, yeah? Do things like this.
Stuff.
This for you. You see that him go all the way up in the tree? Look there.
Yeah, mama, just carry through and get 2 more.
Yeah.
See what I'm going
That was off your heart.
on.
Them said fresh, what me tell you. The thing nice.
Maybe them are fresh as she come.
It tastes so good.
Yeah, call out there, say, yo, no. Some DJ. No, make munchie taste that.
Yeah, it tastes hard.
Taste on there.
Won't you taste that? Sweet.
Tastes bad, man.
Let me taste it.
But no more what taste it.
That was sweet.
The two of them have 2 different tastes, but the 2 of them nice.
different.
2 different tastes, but the 2 of them taste good. It's like one
More than one.
One sweet and one.
and not even sweet. I just have a different taste. Yeah.
Well nice.
That one there have a buzz. This have a buzz. This have a buzz, okay?
Well nice.
Them nice.
Me tell you, me get 2 coconut already.
People, this is life.
A coconut, them are ox. That's why me tell you, give me 2 coconut already. Tell you, that's why me say it to him.
So people, welcome to Jamaica. This is Jamaica. This is why we love this place so much. Look at this place. Bro. See there? Wanna see my plate? People, wanna see my plate? My God, man, the national dish. The may I say? See that? The akis them looking right. The color loose. The pumpkin. Fresh pumpkin we get from country yesterday. Dumpling. Sweet potato. Potato. See banana there. See what I say? Wanna eat on the eyes out. Wanna get jealous of me. I know I'm jealous. But this is how we do it in Jamaica. Real way. So my sister-in-law Pinky just bossed me, you see it? And I know you guys are hating, but don't hate, you can do it too. It's just a 30 minutes flight. No, an hour flight from Miami. You can do it too. Don't hate. Alright, so people, as promised, this is the chocolate. So this is the chocolate fruit. So we open it like this, and that's what it look like inside. And you know, the seeds is what they use and make the actual chocolate. So they grind the seeds up, they parish it, grind it, and then that's it. Alright, here at the waterfront, we're just chilling. Jay right there with us. Alea. And it's beautiful, guys. It's beautiful out here. You got a ship right there in the harbor. 2 ships actually. And this is downtown Kingston. You got a plane, you got the airport over there. Airport's way over there. Yeah, the zoom lens on this is awesome. Go look close. Watch it. So I think I land there all ago. Waterfront Kingston. Yeah, this is a new apartment when them build. Rock.
No, that's not room. That's apartment.
But this is rock. What this is? This is another one.
Rock around this. It's an ocean.
This is ocean.
And
The new buildings. The apartment.
Yeah.
What is it, Ale?
Yeah, it's the apartment. Ocean. Another one rock. Junior, so that's the new hotel. Very nice. It's like kind of swing right now. Everybody and the grandma's going there. It's so, you know, top class. Top. No, everybody go crazy. And they have the view of the harbor. It's so nice. Just imagine what the car charge. What it costs. We never really like find out how much it's going to cost because they know it's a lot of us. So it wouldn't make no sense to get a hotel in a Jamaica because, you know, we're always on the road. We not stay put. So we get the Airbnb where, you know, we just everybody have their own room, one space, and still together. So, and then with them on road every day. So usually they are chill with us, and it is peaceful. Downtown,
Yeah, downtown with a lot of people. Waterfront.
Waterfront. Yes, some fireworks go off.
Yeah, a lot of people don't really come up to the waterfront.
Lies.
Back in the day, what?
Lies. A lot of people come waterfront. Like what? I'm shocked say you're so empty. A lot of people come out.
There's a lot of front row.
And
A lot of
sometimes people are out here sell stuff.
So there is a lot of people out here, I guess.
Yeah, on the weekend. Everybody, I guess. And then everybody uptown. Everybody yeah, and people probably gone in a of course, and more people uptown and celebrate. Yes, everybody got dream weekend, everybody gone to Montego Bay, and so everybody there nigga Montego Bay for dream weekend. So yeah, we're there the place be so let's say the pony come can get my own personal up front seat. Mario looking like a lifeguard, I'm sure pass. See lifeguard Mario, the lifeguard Darby. Watch your face. Why you looking like that though? Anyway, come on get crab.
Let's go.
People, we're out here in Jamaica night. Wow, I don't know if the camera did no justice, but the view is nice. See that?
We're showing the aftermath.
Alia is drunk.
I'm not.
It was a good time.
Too much juice.
All for juice. But what don't we have?
Told you were saying that a team there, but it's like a mixture.
Half for half, y'all. Yeah, I pop that on the man, girl. So,
And then I say done.
man, say never want you know, so man just scrape up so arguing. Nice is bad.
It's nice. Drinks, oh my god. Like, me I tell about Jamaica, you know, man. Jamaica have a buzz. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I love my island. Guys, look at the view.
View nice.
And beautiful people, thank you all so much for tuning into my first Soca Mix for 2022, baby.